Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix community guidelines violation on Instagram. So let's get into it. Go to your Instagram profile and tap on the menu icon. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select the Help option to report an issue. Tap on the Report a Problem option. Tap Report a Problem. Now select Include and Continue. Add a screenshot of the strike and a description of your problem here. After that, simply press Send. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.